So hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in this video I'm gonna compare Microsoft Loop versus OneNote, which is better for you. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. But before jumping in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So let's start with Microsoft Loop, okay? So whether you are a student or professional or team leader, I will help you decide which one is best fit for you by breaking down features, pros and cons today. So think of Loop as a real-time collaboration workspace that integrates with Microsoft 365. It lets you create dynamic components like tables, checklists, and notes that sync across Teams, Word, and Outlook. Okay. And on the other hand, if we talk about OneNote, then this one is also a good site, but um, this one is for comprehensive organization. Like, it is best for using as a notebook section and pages to keep everything structures. So let's talk about one by one. Okay, so Microsoft, the pros of Microsoft Loops is you can do real-time collaboration, you can instantly sync changes across all Microsoft 365 apps. You can just tap on to get started with Loop and you can instantly get it started. Also, you can check out their plans and pricings right from here. You can check them out. They offer 4 types of packages. And seamlessly, Microsoft 365 integrate works effortlessly with Word, Excel, and Teams. It has AI-powered features, smart suggestions, meeting notes, and task trackings. And now let's talk about Microsoft Loops cons. So, like, it has steep learning curve. Like, new users may struggle with getting up pages and workspaces. It's still evolving and lacks deep customization like advanced search features. Okay, so let's cut it down. Like Microsoft Loop, and also it has limited access. Like on the offline you will get limited offline accesses. Now head over to the OneNote. So Microsoft OneNote is also a good one. Let's talk about the pros and cons of Microsoft OneNote also. So if we talk about Microsoft pros of OneNote, it has comprehensive organization. You can use notebooks, section and pages to keep everything structured. Offline access, like you will have more offline access than you will have more online access than Microsoft Loop. Okay. Also, you will get multimedia support and you can add handwritten notes, images, voices recordings, and web clippings. It is also free to use. You can, like, core features are completely free with no major limitations. And if we talk about cons of OneNote, then it has limited collaboration. Unlike Loop, OneNote does not support real-time multi-user editing. It also has a clunky interface, which also it is weaker. It has weaker integration compared to Microsoft 365 Loop, and it does not sync as seamlessly like Outlook or Teams. Okay. Now let's head over to other things. Like if we talk about Microsoft Loop collaborations, like it offers real-time collaborations, but on the OneNote it is limited. Okay. Now if we talk about organizations, which is best for them, like the best for Microsoft Loops are them who works as a page owners or something like that, and OneNote is better for them who use notebooks and sections more. And if we talk about offline accesses, then Microsoft Loop has much more limited access than OneNote. Okay, now let's talk about integrations. As I just talked about that, also Microsoft Loop offers deep integrations and OneNote does not offer that much deep integrations. And lastly, if we talk about ease of uses, okay, ease of uses, then Microsoft Loop is complex, and the OneNote is beginner friendly. So if you collaborate in teams, loops is better option, and if you work alone and need structured notes, OneNote is easier and much more flexible. Now let me quickly show you how both apps are work in real time. You can just go to microsoftloop.com and then you can simply get started with Loop. Also you can try it or sign in if you wish to. Then you can just add titles etc. for your pages. And on the other hand, on the OneNote, you can open OneNote and then tap onto sign in and create a free account to OneNote, and you can add sections and other pages, something like that. You can add notes, and notes are saved offline and synced later, which Microsoft Loop does not support. But at the same time, both are powerful, but they serve different needs. And finally, if we talk about pricings, then Microsoft Loop is included in Microsoft 365 plans, which offers almost $7 a month. I mean $6.99 a month. So you can check out all these offers. And on the other hand, if you check out the OneNote's pricings right from here, we can just check them out. So here is that offer. So let me show you. On the other hand, OneNote offers this type of $29.99 a year, and Microsoft 365 Personal offers $99.99 a year, almost $100. Okay, so which one should you choose? Then for business teams, Microsoft Loop is better because it offers real-time editing, and OneNote would not be a good choice for business teams. And for students and individuals, OneNote is much more better than business teams than Microsoft Loop, because they work as individuals. They mostly need notes and other things like write hand down things. And also if you talk about project management, you can go with Microsoft Loop without any doubt. And for simple note takings, you can use OneNote without any doubt again. So in simpler words, if you work in teams and need real-time updates, go with Microsoft Loop. And if you prefer structured offline notes for studying or work, OneNote is much more better. So now let me know in the comment section that which one you would choose. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like to the channels, like to this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out another productivity tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one. Till then, take care, goodbye.